All distractions, no, talaga ginagawa rito ng mga crowds.
And of course, all of our games are held under the supervision and regulation of the Games and Amusements Board.
Oh, hang on. How did this happen? 7 to 8 should have been an easy lay, pero whoa.
Tulak lang. And it is going to the Stallions, the opening game in this race to 13.
The late Chino Trinidad,
who was supposed to be our commissioner before his untimely death, and now the break is going to be a golden one.
With a 4 to the upper right. Ayan. Oh.
Kulang.
Mukhang hindi kumagat yung pectus. Hit it soft with a lot of bottom left.
Just made it.
On. Well, we just want to minimize yung errors, no. On the other hand, he wants to focus on the chemistry of each pairing. Position on the 2 is a little tricky kasi, did I say tricky?
Baka pati yung mga lineup nga natin, dumami pa yung mga players eh.
Oo nga.
To give a 4-0 lead. 2 balls away from their first score. In this race to 13 doubles match in game number 4, and it is official, finally on the board.
Cue ball behind the 7. Cue ball behind the 7. Did
Mabot
he
ba?
get there? There you go.
Almost made it into the side. Does it sell out?
Does it
go in? Does it go in? Yes, it does. Breaks the second one for the Taguig Stallions.
Be a solution to this problem. And take a look at this. Parang follow-up ng cue ball sa
Dalawang beses na yan nangyari. Ganon din nangyari sa kanilang unang golden break when EJ Conanan hit it. This time it's the cue ball tipping in. Clutch shot by Baset Mokaibat. Does he get position on the 3? Oh, he does not. The 6 ball gets in the way. And
can't say this is a Hail Mary, but there you go.
One shot from Dio Careza.
Mokaibat broke the rack. Where's that cue ball going?
Yeah, the 6 is there though.
Mukhang itatago nila behind the 5 ang pato. Or rather behind the 9.
It was a bank shot. However, the 3 is now eclipsed by the 9.
Massey shot here from Edgy Geronimo.
What a shot by Geronimo.
Ito, tingnan natin.
He cross-backed it. Wow! Pulpul hit a harder shot in game 2 when he nipped the 6 ball. Makes it this time. It's all on Edgy Geronimo.
I wouldn't bet against him on this one.
Geronimo knocks it in. 1-2. 1 stays up.
Pink fork, palagay ko, kukunin nila yan upper right or side pocket na
Pwede
lang.
ring side. This will be their first back-to-back.
Yup. Tampal na lang. Perfect on the 9 for the side.
7th rack win.
Doon sa likod ng 6 and 5. Maybe even the 9.
Contact made. Oh, it was an offensive shot. A 2-rail shot.
Ito, he just wants to send that 1 ball away.
Missed.
There you go.
But again, Pulpul. Looks to be the plan. Went offensive and got it. Avoided the scratch. Jonas Magpantay staying aggressive. For Jonas Magpantay.
Wait a minute. Manila side is protesting something. What's going on here?
Who was supposed to be shooting? Who was supposed to be shooting?
Wrong order of shooter.
Yun ang tanong dito. And Dennis Poe was very quick to point that out.
All right.
The clock is stopped.
Sandali. Wrong order of shooter.
Yung ba yung kaso rito? The referee has to intervene. Our replay team is working on it. And it appears that the referee has now ruled in favor of Manila. Ball in hand.
Ball in hand here for Manila. Tama.
Wow, what a mental lapse for
after
Taguig.
review. Aba.
And there it is.
Nothing fancy to be done here. Whoa! Ooh.
Almost hung it.
Not unless baset mo kay Bat. Misses that one.
Dennis Paul pumping his fist. Hill. Whoa. Scratch on the break for the kay Bat. Ball in hand for Taguig.
Let's see what's gonna happen here.
Ito yung tinatawag na tirang buntis.
Oo.
Oh, are they playing for a 3-9? Are they playing for a 3-9 combination? For sending us to game 5. Oh! And the line goes to the other pocket. Taguig wins! And they
Grabe.
set up for the 3-9 combination. Pero nung tinira naman ni EJ Cunanan, it went to the other side and Taguig will force a game 5.
And there you go.